Welcome to this tutorial on simulating a DC motor using MATLAB. To get started, we'll need to open Simulink. You can either click the Simulink icon or simply type Simulink into the MATLAB command window. Once the Simulink start page loads, you'll see several options. For this tutorial, let's begin by creating a blank model. It might take a few seconds to load. Once it does, you can maximize the window. The large white area is your workspace. This is where we'll build our simulation. All the components we need are located in the library browser. Click on it to open. It may take a moment to load. Once open, you can browse for components, or if you know the exact name, simply double-click on the empty workspace and type the component name directly. The matching component will appear. Let's start by adding the DC machine block. Select it, and feel free to rename it to something more intuitive like DC motor. After renaming, double-click the block to configure it. Here, you can choose a preset model, for example, one with a 240V armature voltage and a 300V field voltage. You can, of course, choose a model that matches your specific motor. Don't forget to click Apply, then OK. Next, we need two DC voltage source blocks, one for the armature, set to 240V, and another for the field, set to 300V. Remember to click Apply before clicking OK in each source's settings. Connect the positive terminal of the 240V source to A+ and the negative to A-. To rotate a component, right-click on it, go to Format, and choose Rotate Clockwise or Counterclockwise. A quicker method is to press Ctrl+R. Now, let's add a step block to represent the control input signal. Double-click to open its settings. You can leave the step time at 1 second and set the input value to something like 8 volts. Ensure the step signal is connected to the TL port of the motor. Click Apply, then OK. To visualize the motor's output, add both a display and a scope block. Connect them to the M port of the motor. You can rename them if you like. Then, connect the 300V source, positive to F+ and negative to F-. Use connecting lines to link everything properly. Don't forget to add a ground block to serve as an electrical reference. Finally, add the Power GUI block to enable the simulation environment. Place it anywhere in the workspace. You can now name your simulation, for example, DC Motor Simulink Simulation, or use any name you prefer. Everything is ready. Click the Run button at the top to start the simulation. If there are no errors, it should run successfully. To view results, expand the display to see numerical values. Use the scope for graphical output. To copy the graph from the scope, go to the File menu and select Copy to Clipboard. You can then paste it directly into Word for a cleaner, more professional look than using screenshots. And that's it. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of simulating a DC motor in MATLAB. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.